Don't cook your egusi soup like this if you don't want unwanted visitors. If you don't want your neighbors knocking at your door. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you guys how I make my delicious egusi soup the non-frying method. Yeah, I'm just pouring in my broth in a pot. I already prepared my meat and my stockfish, and that's the broth I got from that. That's the result, the broth right there. I'm also adding a mixture of crayfish, onion, and hot chili peppers. We are rinsing the bowl because we're not wasting anything in this recipe. We're not wasting anything. Okay, I'm also adding half cup of water because we'll be boiling the egusi. Remember, we're not frying it, we are boiling it. I would also be adding in some salt, not so much, just add to your liking. I'll be adding my salt, and I would also add 2 cubes of mag. This is 2 Maggi cubes. And guys, this is so hard. Like, it was so hard. I was able to crush the first one. The second one was like, we're not going anywhere. And I don't want to stress myself, so I just put it aside. I use a wooden spoon to kind of press that, mash that down, and yeah, that's it right there. So we're adding that in. At this point, we're just going to cover this pot and let it boil before we proceed. Guys, if you've not yet subscribed to my channel, now is the time to subscribe, like, comment, and share my videos. Oh, delicious, delicious, delicious. Our pot is boiling, so this is the perfect time to go in with our egusi. Now I had to blend my egusi, so it's a little bit watery because I had to blend that in the blender doesn't like blend dry, so I had to like add water to blend it. But we're good, don't be scared, we are okay. So I'm going to make sure to remove every single bit of egusi in this bowl. Like I told you guys, we are not wasting anything. We are not wasting food here in this channel. By the way, I will be making the most delicious recipes on Wednesdays, so make sure to check in next Wednesday for another delicious recipe. I'm not going to tell you guys what I'll be making. It's going to be a surprise. So make sure you come back on Wednesday for that video. Now that we have our egusi in our pot, I'm just going to stir this and close the pot and let it cook. You don't have to stress. The good thing about this method is you don't have to keep stirring it like the frying method. You just have to make sure that is the heat is right, it's not too high, not too low, and then you let it cook for about 10-15 minutes. And after that, this is what it looks like. It's almost ready, but not yet. Now we're gonna let that cook again for maybe 5 more minutes because we want the consistency to be thick but not too thick and not too light. So perfect. This is what we are looking for, guys. At this point, the aroma that was coming out from my kitchen, the aroma, I had to go and make sure that my door was locked because I don't want unwanted visitors. So now we're adding, I just added my, I use goat meat in this egusi soup. I added my goat meat and my stockfish. I also went ahead to add my oil, palm oil, but my camera stopped recording and I did not notice. So we're going to do that and then let it cook again for another 5 minutes, and voila, this is what we have. See guys, you need to try this method. You need to try this method and come back and tell me what you think about it. Or if you've tried the method, please let me know in the comment section because I would like to interact with you guys. So at this point, my egusi soup is almost ready. All I need to do now is to add my vegetable, and in this soup I added spinach. You can add bitter leaf, you can add any green leaf of your choice, but I'll be using spinach for today. Like I said, the soup is ready, but we're just going to let it stay here for like 2 more minutes so that everything just marinates, so that they all meet themselves. Neighbor must meet neighbor now. So I'm just going to let my pot. Of course, I added like a little bit of crayfish at the end because what is soup without crayfish? Please tell me, what is soup without crayfish? If you cook your soup without crayfish, please tell me, how does it taste? Because I really like to know. Or maybe I should try that once and see it for myself. So I'm just stirring my pot, and I'm going to let this stay for like 2 minutes, and our soup will be ready, guys. The most delicious egusi soup you will ever taste in your life. And here you go. Guys, look at it. Look at our egusi soup. Oh, my neighbor is knocking, but me, I will not open the door. I will not open the door because I have to eat first. I will not open this door. Look at how delicious this soup looks. Not only does it look delicious, it also tastes delicious as well. Guys, look at everything. Anyway, you know what? Let me just go and put myself a plate and enjoy. Happy New Year. Happy 2024. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. Thank you. Make sure to subscribe, like, comment, and share my videos. And see you in the next video. I'm also going to give you guys a recipe on Wednesday. So stay tuned for that video. Thanks. Bye.